I, Geoffrey Handley Cuthbert, do hereby declare that I accept the office of Police and Crime Commissioner for Gwent. In making this declaration, I solemnly and sincerely promise that during my term of office, I will serve all the people of Gwent in the office of Police and Crime Commissioner. I will act with integrity and diligence in my role and, to the best of my ability, will execute the duties of my office to ensure that the police are able to cut crime and protect the public. I will give a voice to the public, especially victims of crime, and work with other services to ensure the safety of the community and effective criminal justice. I will take all steps within my power to ensure transparency of my decisions so that I may be properly held to account by the public. I will not interfere with the operational independence of police officers. That is the oath, which I'll now sign. Today's date is 12. Thank you.